Hey there, Lipper family. Here again, day 2 at Plant 228W Tbar Kaizen event. We started our day really talking about the process map from yesterday and hitting root cause hard. Here you can see man, method, material, and machine, and we talked about all the opportunities within each one of those pillars that were slowing our line down, causing downtime, and most importantly, causing waste. You can see Mike Crone here facilitating the team's direction on, let's get into process mapping and let's talk future state. Here's our future state map where the Kaizen team, really started to come up with new ideas on combining processes, and what wicked awesome innovation came from those conversations. Some really cool ideas on spinny parts presentation so people don't have to leave the line and team members can really impact their processes at a higher level. The future state here, you can see the value add, non-value add. We made a couple supermarkets and made some strategic whip online, taking our value add work content to 28% from an original 6%. Wow, what an improvement. Check this out. So we went through this paper dial exercise where you cut out each little station, you reorient the line, went from a current state to a future state. Now let's show you the flow. So spaghetti diagram, the team illustrated how many steps they were walking just to produce one part. 276 steps per part, down to 79. And material flow diagram, you can see flow should look like a river. Look at how clean that is. We ended day 2 making an action list, so we're prepped for tomorrow. Reminder is, an idea is everything. If you don't take the time to plan, you won't make things happen. So take your time, make a strong plan, and make it happen.